Okay, Sumaya, just now you said something. Are topics memorable?
Day.
Memorable? Happen or day? Memorable happen? Okay, big clap for Sumaya. Now you start your memorable happen day. Okay?
Thank you, sir, for giving me opportunity to say something about our English language club. My topic name is A Memorable Day in My Life. A human life is full of events. Many accidents happen in our life. Some of these are very pleasant and create a long-lasting effect in our life. My remembered day is Dhaka Gazipur Motor Scout Jamboree. In January, I will go my scout teacher and other school scouting students for bus. Our bus started at 6:30 a.m. In our journey of the bus, we all enjoy in our bus. In the bus, we all dance, singing, eating food, etc. And sometimes I sleep in the bus of the journey. We reached in the location at 8:30 p.m. We all stay there. We stay there in a timber. When we reach the timber, then we all are go to sleep. After the next day, we finish the breakfast. Then we all are decorated the timber with colorful crackers. Then we make some tools of in our bag, cloth and shoes. It is in other 7 days. We all participated many occasions and games. We all are doing. In the last day at Dhaka Gazipur Motor Scout Jamboree, Sheikh Hasina, Dr. Dipumani and famous people come with us. Then our teachers some give all of us. Example: fresh certificate and some chocolate. Dhaka Gazipur Motor Scout Jamboree, 96 countries people who come up to me. And picture for this video. Example: Korea, China, Japan, America, etc. All days are joy, excitement, and all days are memorable day in my life.
Declare for Sumaya. Okay, wonderful. She expressed her memorable day. Okay?
Yes,
You
sir.
understand?